Slow-mo short films. Monster in the Closet 1. Actors: Girl on Bed, Rachel Partridge. Monster, Haley Smith. Director/sound effects, Allison Chastain. Please enjoy. No rude comments or spam. Thank you.